Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to download IRS paper from finance websites the right way. First, understand that IRS forms should always be downloaded from trusted sources to avoid outdated or incorrect documents. Start by going to a reliable finance website or directly to irs.gov for the safest option. If you are using a finance platform, search for the specific IRS form you need, like Form 1040 or W-9. Make sure the source clearly states it provides official IRS documents. Next, click on the form link and check that it redirects to a valid PDF file. Before downloading, confirm the tax year to ensure it is the latest version. Once verified, download the file to your device or print it if required. Always double-check the document after downloading to ensure it matches official IRS formatting and information for accuracy. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.